Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make AI video like this for free without paying a dime. Firstly, if you are an AI content creator and you like to make AI videos like this, the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a niche, either entertainment, food, food niche, or any niche at all that you are interested in. Once you pick your niche, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to go to chatgpt to help create our image. Here I am now on chatgpt. I said, hello chatgpt, I would like to create an image of an influencer who is a cook. So I would like you to give me a prompt that generates this image for me. Meanwhile, this cook is a Nigerian lady, about 35 years old, in her kitchen. The kitchen is a modern Nigerian kitchen, looking really aesthetic. She is standing behind the modern kitchen counter. She is very beautiful. The kitchen should have kitchen utensils inside it. I type everything I want, then I click on the plus button to give ChatGPT my image, because I said I want this image to look exactly like me. That means we need to give ChatGPT a reference image so that it will know how to create the image we want that will look exactly how we want it to be. So I click on the plus button, click on my video, click on my picture, then this is what ChatGPT created for us. Let us scroll down. This is what ChatGPT says: prompt, create a realistic portrait of exactly how I want it. ChatGPT describe it for me, and what I am going to do next, I am going to copy this prompt, because ChatGPT can also create an image for us. So what I'm going to do is I am going to copy all of this prompt that ChatGPT created, and I'm going to paste it back to ChatGPT. Once I do that, I am going to click on the send button. Once you click on the send button, if there is anything you want to edit from the prompt that ChatGPT created for you, maybe the color of the clothes she's wearing, you don't like it, you want to change the color of the clothes, or anything at all that you want to edit, just click on it and edit it. Once you edit it to your satisfaction, then click on the send button and wait for what ChatGPT is going to create for us. So after doing that, this is exactly what ChatGPT created for us. This is what ChatGPT created for me. This is exactly what ChatGPT created for me. Let's look at the picture I gave ChatGPT. Remember, I told ChatGPT I want it to look exactly like me. I don't want any change. This is the image I gave ChatGPT, and this is what it created for me. Meanwhile, I told you can change anything you want. I changed the color of the clothes because ChatGPT gave me deep wine and red for the image, for the color of the image, but I had to change it because I don't like the color, so I had to change it. So after that, you can use that as your reference image, or you can decide to go to another image generator app that you know to create your image. So I'm going to teach you how to use Flow AI. What you just need to do is just go to your Google Chrome, type Flow AI. Once you type Flow AI, click on the Flow AI that I clicked on. You are going to sign up. It's going to ask you a few questions for verification. Then here we are inside the app. The next thing what we want to do now is we want to generate our image, and to do that we are going to copy the prompt given to us by ChatGPT and brought it here. What you are going to do here, once you sign into your Flow AI, is you're going to click on the plus button. deep down there, there is a plus button there. You are going to click on the plus button. Once you click on it, you are going to see upload image. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to your gallery. Once you get to your gallery, select the picture that you want to use as your reference image. Once you select the picture you want to use as your reference image, then you this space here, you are going to paste your prompt. The prompt that was given to us by ChatGPT, you are going to paste it here. And once you do that, by the left hand side, you're going to see this times one button, times two, times three, times four. It shows how many numbers of image you want Flow AI to generate for you. It can generate as many as 4 images for you. Once you click on it, click on send, and here it is exactly what Flow AI generated for me. I am still not satisfied with what Flow AI generated for me, because Floria is giving me an image that I'm already done with the cooking. So I am not contented with it. I am going to go to Gemini image generator. I love Gemini so much. It is so easy to use and it is very straightforward. What I'm going to do now is I am going to go to Gemini. Once I get to Gemini image generator, I'm going to do the same thing I did here by copying the prompt given to me by ChatGPT. I also give Gemini my reference image, and this is exactly what Gemini generated for me. I love this so much. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save it, and once I save it, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, because now we already have our reference image. The next thing we need to do is we need to tell ChatGPT what we want to do. And here is what I said to ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT, I would like to create jollof rice. Kindly give me 20 short sequence of how to make jollof rice. Once I'm done with what I want ChatGPT to do for me, then I'm going to click on the send button, and this is exactly what ChatGPT created for me. This 20 sequence that I want. It's telling me to wash and prepare the rice thoroughly, and these are the 20 short sequence that ChatGPT created for us. Now that we have our sequence, we are going to tell ChatGPT to give me image for each scene. ChatGPT gave me 20 sequence. Then I'm going to tell ChatGPT, give me images for each scene where she is making jollof rice, and I need this image to be consistent, just like the influencer. You remember ChatGPT create the image reference for us, so I'm telling ChatGPT that I don't want this image to change. So it should give me image for each scene, and this is exactly what ChatGPT created for us. Now that we have our image prompt for each scene, I am going to head back to my image generator, any image generator at all that you like. Just go back to your image generator. What we are going to do is we are going to create all the image for the scene. For the 20 scenes given to us by ChatGPT, we are going to create image for each scene. And to do that, I am going to copy each scene one by one and create. ChatGPT says for consistent character, you copy this for each prompt. So that is exactly what I am going to do. I am going to copy this. Once I copy it, I will go over to my image generator. I'm going to make use of Gemini, because once I copy this consistent character once, the next thing I will just be doing with Gemini is I will just be copying the next image prompt. I will copy the first one, I'll put it there, give Gemini your image reference, that is the first image we created, then click on the send button. Once you click on the send button, it's going to generate the image for you. And this is the first one, which is measuring of rice. Once you are done with the first one, you click on the second one, which is, I think, watching of rice. And this is exactly how we are going to generate all our images. These are the images I generated for this video. Once you generate all your images, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to tell ChatGPT to give us prompt to animate the image scene by scene. And we are going to tell ChatGPT that we don't want the character to talk, but if you want your character to talk, you don't need to add this to it. Since this is a cooking niche, and most of the times cooking influencer don't talk, what you see is the hand movement of their character. So I told ChatGPT that I don't want the images to talk, and this is exactly what ChatGPT gave to me. And this exactly is what I am going to use to create my video. And to create my video, I am going to use Gen-V. Just go to your Play Store, type Gen-V. Once you type Gen-V, it's going to bring this app to you. Install it and sign in. Once you sign in, this is how I'm going to create my video. To create the first one, you see, describe the content you want to generate. What you are going to do is go to the image animation that ChatGPT gave to you, the first one that was given to you by ChatGPT. Copy the prompt and paste it here on where it says describe the image you want, describe the video you want to generate. Once you paste it, then select the image that the first image, that is the measuring image, or any image at all that goes along with the prompt that you pasted. Then click on create. Once you click on create, an ad is going to show. Wait for this ad to play out, then your video it will be generated for you. And that's the only sacrifice you make here, is the ad. You just need to watch ad. Once you watch ad, you can create as many video as you want. And this is exactly what was generated for us. And this is exactly how you are going to generate all your videos. Once you generate the first video, what you are going to do is go back to the image prompt, copy the image prompt that was given to you by ChatGPT, come back to Gen-V app, post the prompt, and select the image that goes along with the prompt. And this is how you are going to generate all your videos one after the other till you are done with creating your videos. And this is exactly what I have. I hope you learned something from this video. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification button so you get to see more of my videos. And if you are returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the comment, for the likes. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and turn on the notification button. See you in my next video.